Okay. So what was I asking to you?
Okay, ask me.
Okay. My phone is not working like
Okay, okay, no problem.
happens sometimes. I don't know.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So now where are you?
Now I am from Pakistan, province Balochistan district, Nasirabad.
Okay. Okay. If you ask to me anything, you can ask me.
So, okay. uh, what I need to speak English?
Okay. But I need to speak English because
Yes,
you are conversation with me. Okay, so it's a
yes,
very important English
yes,
language. Without English language you cannot be able to another countries, right?
yes, yes.
So
Right.
nowadays it's very necessary English language, and everyone wants to speak English language,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And
Right.
you are talking me because of English language. Okay.
Yes,
And
yes,
want to talk another city, like another country, you like India's and other country like America and Canada and this type of as countries, if you want to talk with them, so a lots
yes,
many language, it's very difficult to learn, right? It's
yes,
very difficult to every language learn. So it's and you know very well English language, so you can connect to another person.
yes, 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 right. So, how can I collect vocabulary?
How can I?
Collect vocabulary.
Okay, how can collect okay vocabulary? Okay,
Yes,
whatever you are listening, okay, and I'm talking to English. Okay, if you want to learn English, first of all you have to become a good listener,
yes,
right?
yes.
Good
Right, right.
listener. Yeah. And as much as you listen,
Yes,
con- videos, yeah, structures videos, yeah, vocabulary, these type of videos, and you grab and collect all the thing, right? And
right, right.
sometimes we are talking, so you don't get particular vocabulary, so sometimes it's very difficult to explain, okay, what I am going to speak, right?
Yes,
You have to okay, you will do one thing. First you have to get into the habit of reading book.
yes,
What happens, lots of new vocabulary over there, okay, and yeah, and you grab and you write down notebook as
right.
well,
Yes,
write
yes.
down notebook,
Yes,
right?
okay, right. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
first,
can, can I speak English without grammar?
you know what, you will have to aware basic grammatic rules like a present tense, past
Yes,
tense and future
yes,
tense,
yes,
okay.
yes. It is
Yeah,
important.
yeah,
I said it is important.
yeah, it is important, but when you, okay, if you know very well grammatic rules, okay, and you know very well what they are speaking, so you can understand everything, okay. Now am I speaking anything, so you can understand,
Yes,
you will
yes, I
able
can
to
understand.
understand. So
Yes,
it's
yes, I can understand.
okay, you are understand everything, so
Yes,
it's not necessary to you learn grammatic rules.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
now yeah, you will do one thing. Okay, you will do one thing like listening and speaking.
yes,
Whatever
yes,
you are listening, okay, whatever you are listening, and you have to work on that speaking. And as
yes,
much
yes,
as you speak, so remove your hesitation and you speak very
yes, yes,
clearly.
Yes,
Because of due to lack of practice,
yes,
right?
yes,
And as
yes,
much as speaking practice regular, it will okay, it will do like your confidence develop.
yes. Okay,
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 your
yes,
confidence will be developed day by day. Okay,
yes,
and yeah, I know also watch many people, so they know very well grammatical rules. Okay, they know everything, conversation, this type of videos they watch, and they know very well, but they don't speak because of hesitation, because of feel shy, uncomfortable while
yes,
speaking.
yes,
The reason. And you don't think about your making mistake. Without everyone make mistake, everyone makes mistake. Yeah, initially they everyone makes mistake, so don't think about your mistake. Okay, you started speaking language, and whether you are speaking right, you are speaking wrong, and you yeah, like you are speaking day by day, you know very well, but
yes,
where I am making mistake, and
yes, yes.
next time you will try to making right way.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. Yes,
right.
right, right.
This is very important, like speaking. Whatever you
Speaking and
feel
listening.
like, whatever you want to speak, you speak.
Yes,
Not huge sentence, but at least you should speak small, small word.
yes,
Right?
yes. Right.
Right.
Speaking and listening is important part for English.
Right, right.
Yes, yes,
Speaking and learning both are different. When you learning grammatic rules, and as long as you don't practice speaking part, so you can never speak in our
yes,
life.
yes.
I also Yeah, I'm talking to I also I didn't take any institute, I didn't take any coaching class. I am I have learned from YouTube channel.
Okay, I am also learned the YouTube channel, but I don't didn't join academy and tuition class. Yeah, I learned English speaking from YouTube channel.
Right, right. Because of you have a patient. Okay,
Yes, yes,
passionate this language, about this language. So that is why you are learning this language. Okay?
right.
Yeah.
So I forgot to ask you yourself about yourself.
Okay, okay. So yeah, of course. So my name is Pooja Sahu. I am connecting to you from Delhi and in India. Okay, as well.
Okay,
Yeah, talking to my qualification. So I have done pass CBSE board from Delhi 2013. Well as I have done basic computer courses. Apart from that, I am also learning this language. Okay, and I love to talking to my hobby. So I love to talk different people and explore different culture. So
wow.
that's the reason. And yeah, I love to learn this language. So
Yes,
I am learning this language. That is why, and I am married. I am homemaker. That's it all about
okay.
me.